Lucas, the GPS told me to turn into this gas station that is not even a gas station, and now we're lost. So let me drive, you stay there, and please just let me drive, okay? Come on. Lucas, I don't know where I'm going, okay? Babe, just trust me, okay? I don't know, okay? I really don't know what I'm doing. I need gas and I don't know where I'm going, okay? I can't find people. I don't know why there's no other cars, okay? You're stressing me out. No, babe, you're stressing me out. Okay? It's just, I don't wanna, like, I don't know. I don't like this area. I really don't. I'm sorry. You made this, okay? Come on. Please, please, please. Okay. No, Lucas. Okay. My God, Lucas, you made me stole the car. Can you please stop talking to me? Oh my God. It's the last time I'm driving you to places, you know that? Why are you taking me? Oh my God. I don't like this one bit. What, Lucas, you know what? You are always... I don't know where I'm going, okay? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I need to unstress because this is not your fault. It kinda is, but come on, please. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, okay? I promise I'll take it safe, babe. I'm so sorry, okay? Why are you looking in my legs and my feet like that? I don't know what I'm doing. Babe, this is not the moment to be doing stuff, okay? I really want to get out of here. This is just, I don't know, okay? I don't know. I'm feeling emotional, okay? I don't want to be here. I don't. No, please. Please, not in hell. Please. Come on. Come on. I'm really bad. I'm so sorry. The brake is not working. Brake, please. Oh God, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh my god, I can't get out of here. Lucas, I'm trying my fucking best, okay? Seriously. Come on, baby, come on. Come on, please. Come on, get me out of here. Come on. No, come on. Just wanna go home. Please, please, I can't get out. Lucas, help me. Why are you staring like that? Yes. I'm so sorry, babe. No, babe, I'm trying, okay? Don't scream at me like that. I'm trying my best, okay? Why don't you drive then? Oh my god. The brakes don't work. Nothing works in this car. Great. Come on. Come on, please, please. Come on. Babe? I don't know what I'm doing, okay? Come on, come on, please. Oh my god. I don't know what to do anymore, okay? I don't have a cell phone service, okay? Oh, come on, please. Please get me out of here. Please. Please. I did it. Babe! I did it! Oh my god! Babe? That's the gas station. That's abandoned. We need to find another gas station. Come on. Babe, stop touching my leg, please. This is not the time or the moment, okay? I wanna get us help. I don't know what I'm doing, okay? Come on, can we go any faster, please? Come on. Please. Sorry, babe. I'm so sorry. No. No. Come on. Please. No. No, 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 no. Come on. Babe, it's not starting up again. I think there's something wrong with the engine. Can you go and check it out, please? I'll just stay here. Thank you.